Hey guys, this is Carrie Lynn here for SheSaved.com, and today we are in Long Beach. We are at the Hotel Maya. I'm going to give you a peek at this area outside the room because it's fantastic, but wait until you see the view from inside the room. This is a DoubleTree by Hilton. You know, I love my Hilton hotels, and this is probably one of my favorites. I'd never stayed here before. I'm on a hosted trip with Carnival Cruise Lines, and this hotel room is actually literally a quick walk from the Carnival port. So I want to give you a look at this room. Obviously, 2 queen beds. The layout is really nice. I love the floors. Really beachy feel to it. Step back, there's the desk area. I just got back from the breakfast, which was amazing. And as you can see, television. There is a refrigerator in this room. But really, honestly, the show stealer of this room is the view. These are amazing. I always recommend requesting a view if you can. This one is fantastic. It's about 11 o'clock in the morning here, and it's absolutely beautiful out. You can kind of see, there's a peek of everything, and I don't know if you can quite see the cruise ships. You can kind of see a peek of them right down there. I was able to see them from the restaurant really clearly, but love the balconies at this hotel. Bright yellow chairs, just a really neat, peaceful place to come hang out. So maybe a really great choice if you're cruising to come a day early, stay a day late. Really nice area. So there's a look at this room. It's so big and spacious, as you can see. And there's a nice closet space here with all of the things. You got your safe and your iron. And then the bathroom is so pretty. So there's a look at that. Got your Crabtree and Evelyn, which I love, and a really nice shower. Bathtub. So there you go. This is just a beautiful property, and I wanted to give you a peek at it because not only is it a quick drive from the airport. I flew into LAX. You could fly into Long Beach as well, but it's so close to the cruise line. So what a fun place to come stay before you cruise, and I hope you'll follow along. I'll be covering a lot of Carnival cruise events, including our time above the Panorama, which starts in a couple days. So there you go. Here's a peek again at my room here at the Hotel Maya. This is a DoubleTree by Hilton property, and this is Carrie Lynn for SheSaved.com.